AI has the potential to significantly impact your job. But before you start panicking, there's actually an incredible opportunity waiting to unfold. While most people might panic, you have the chance to approach this with a calm and open mindset, and that is how you can truly win big. When you search for AI on Google, prepare to be amazed by what you'll find. AI is already accomplishing remarkable feats such as helping you brainstorm ideas, acting as your personal assistant, and even driving your car. And remember, we're only scratching the surface of AI's potential. Just imagine the possibilities in a few months or a few years when AI becomes even more advanced. It's an absolute game changer. But let's not forget that moments of disruption also bring tremendous opportunities. To make the most of them, we need to be proactive while others are overwhelmed. Do I think that AI truly is that transformative? Absolutely. I'm Tracey Steinberg, the AI Whisperer, and I believe AI will be the most significant change in our lifetime. Currently, our thinking speeds limit us, hindering how quickly we can solve problems. However, AI can solve problems almost instantly. As Elon Musk rightly points out, people are rewarded based on the difficulty of the problems they solve. Regardless of your industry, AI can enhance your job performance. But to stay ahead of the curve, you must be an early adopter. It's time to shift from merely researching AI to actively utilizing it. I've personally been obsessed with learning how to leverage AI, and the results have been astounding. For example, people are already using AI to analyze data, generate reports, and create stunning images. Having closely observed AI's progress, I can assure you we're at a turning point. Things will only accelerate from here. The key is to not be left behind. Instead of feeling scared or sad about the dramatic changes AI brings, we must embrace it. Change is inevitable, and inaction can be risky in such a rapidly evolving landscape. Considering how extensively AI has already transformed our systems, I anticipate even greater changes at an expedited rate. Those who learn to adapt with AI the fastest will emerge as the winners. This transformation is happening right before our eyes, and everyone is talking about it. You can't walk into any room without hearing people talk about ChatGPT. To make the most of this moment, I urge you to reframe your perception of AI. See it as a tool, not an enemy, because that's exactly what it is. AI won't replace you. Instead, it'll empower a person who knows how to utilize it effectively. So rather than pretending AI doesn't exist, it's time to confront it head on, proactively adapt, and learn everything you can about the AI tools that are relevant to your life. Personally, I have found the AI tools available today to be mind-blowing. But remember, we're at the very beginning of an incredible revolution. By swiftly mastering these tools, you can surge ahead of others. As you become proficient at leveraging AI to solve problems efficiently, people will turn to you. In these early days when most people are frozen in uncertainty, you'll possess an unfair advantage if you learn how to leverage AI and explore the endless possibilities it presents. So let's take action, let's embrace AI, and discover what we can achieve together. It's time to learn, build, create, and leverage AI to our advantage. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts on AI in the comments below.